Ramadan is coming up soon, and it's the perfect time to adjust your daily routine so you can get into the holy month smoothly. In this video, I'll share a guide to an ideal routine that helps you make the most of Ramadan while staying productive and enjoying it to the fullest. I've done my research for this video, but if you've noticed any mistakes, feel free to correct me in the comments. Now let's get started. The day starts with suhoor for those who fast. Fasting during the month of Ramadan is mandatory for all healthy adult Muslims. Children before puberty, those who are physically or mentally unable to fast, and travelers are some exceptions. Some teens before puberty may practice with shorter fasts, like for half a day. So, wake up before dawn, preferably around 3:30 or 4 a.m., because it gives you time to fully wake up and get ready to cook or help around. Get up and make your bed immediately so you don't fall back asleep. Brush your teeth and wash your face, or do wudu. Prepare your suhoor meal by cooking healthy dishes or helping out by setting the table. If you often lose energy before the afternoon, it might be because of an improper suhoor diet. It's very important to eat enough and choose healthy meals during this hour to avoid cravings later. Your meal should include complex carbohydrates, protein, and fiber. Here are some meals you can try are oats, whole grain bread, eggs, yogurt, fruits, and veggies. Now that we've seen what you should eat at suhoor, let's talk about what to avoid. Stay away from salty foods like pickles and chips and sugary cereals because they can make you thirsty or cause an energy crash later. Lastly, drink at least 2 or 3 glasses of water. Aim to drink around 2 to 3 liters of water between iftar and suhoor. This gradual intake during non-fasting hours is key to staying well hydrated. Remember, once suhoor is over, you cannot eat or drink anything, so be careful. Now it's time to pray Fajr. Do wudu again if needed and make sure your surroundings are clean before you start. This prayer is mandatory, so don't forget to pray. Since you're already on your prayer mat, take a few extra minutes to recite the Quran or do a short dhikr. You need to gather as many blessings as you can. After your prayer, you can either go back to sleep for a bit by setting an alarm or plan your day by writing down your tasks and or good deeds you want to do, like helping a neighbor, donating, etc. After that, take a quick shower to feel refreshed. Morning is the best time for tackling tasks that need high focus while your energy is still fresh. You can work on homework, projects, or simply prepare for school. Take a short break afterwards, maybe a quick walk or some stretching, because you might not have enough energy in the afternoon. Get ready for school or work, and don't forget your skincare routine. Use a simple cleanser, moisturizer, and sunscreen. While traveling to school, use your time to listen to a Quran audiobook or carry a small Quran with you to read. Here are some tips for staying cool at school. Bring a face mist to keep your skin hydrated, or carry some ice water in a thermos and pat your face or wrists with it to cool down when needed. You might even take a small fan to cool down. Lastly, avoid heavy activities to save energy. Now it's time to pray Dhuhr, which is also compulsory. After praying, take a short break. You can stretch, read a book, or take a quick nap. Stay in cool spots to avoid thirst. If you're not fasting, enjoy your lunch. And for those who are fasting, try some light activities like listening to an Islamic podcast or audiobook. This keeps you active and brings blessings. You can also work on creative tasks like your hobbies, crafts, or schoolwork. Now, it's time for your Asr prayer. Find a clean spot to pray, and afterward do something mindful, like meditating or writing down 3 things you're grateful for. This boosts positivity. If you feel tired, take a 20-minute power nap or rest. Naps and breaks are important when you're fasting, so don't hesitate to take them when needed. Also, give your skincare routine a refresh by washing your face with a gentle cleanser and then applying moisturizer. Don't forget your lips, as they can get dry and chapped during fasting. Now go back home and rest. As sunset nears and you're close to breaking your fast, perform your wudu and start preparing for iftar. Cook with your family or help them out. This is a great time for bonding. Share your day's experiences and listen to theirs. Some food recommendations for iftar are dates, soups, grilled veggies, and hydrating fruits like watermelon. At Maghrib, break your fast with dates and water. Relax, recite Quran, or make heartfelt dua. After eating, wait 30 minutes before brushing, flossing to protect enamel. Get ready for the Maghrib prayer. Since your energy is back, you can pray calmly and even take a bit more time. After Maghrib, relax with your family. Play games, watch a wholesome movie, or take a walk. When it's time for the last prayer of the day, take your time to pray peacefully. After Isha, consider praying Taraweeh. It's optional but very rewarding during Ramadan. Once you're done with prayers, you have some free time. Keep sipping water throughout the night to rehydrate and follow your night skincare routine. Cleanse, apply serum, moisturize, and use an eye cream. Then go to sleep early to recharge for suhoor. On weekends, you can do things you might not have time for during the week. Try volunteering at a community kitchen or mosque, donate money, food, or clothes you no longer use, host a virtual iftar with friends, or experiment with a new recipe or Ramadan-themed food. Here are some bonus tips for a successful Ramadan. Batch cook meals to save time. Balance worship with self-care to avoid burnout. Use a planner or app to track your goals like reading the Quran and prayers. Stay hydrated between iftar and suhoor. To keep your skin hydrated, use hyaluronic acid or aloe vera gel during non-fasting hours. Apply lip balm frequently to avoid dryness from fasting. Shower with lukewarm water to prevent dehydration. Use miswak, a natural toothbrush, during fasting hours if needed. I hope everyone knows that you can't fast during your periods, so I've also got you a routine you can do on your period week of Ramadan. Adjust the times as needed to suit your school schedule and personal energy levels. Firstly, you need to eat all sorts of healthy foods to have a smooth transition to fasting later. So this week you'll focus a lot on your diet and exercise to keep you fit. Your morning will start without suhoor as you can fast, but you should still wake up early to get used to it for later fasting. Begin your day with a few minutes of dhikr or recite memorized Quran verses. Use this quiet time to set your intentions for the day and read a short dua. Freshen up and prepare for the day ahead. Even if you're not fasting, a light suhoor-style meal, a healthy breakfast, can help energize you. Enjoy a balanced meal with whole grains, fruits, protein, and plenty of water. Use this time to mentally review your goals for Ramadan and school. While going to school, listen to a short Islamic reminder or inspirational nasheed on your way. Before classes begin, use a few spare minutes for silent dhikr or reflection, either quietly or through headphones. Focus on your lessons. During any short breaks, if possible, slip in a few moments of gratitude or a brief dua. Stand up, stretch, and take a minute or two for quiet reflection or a mindful breathing exercise to reconnect with your inner calm. Eat your school lunch. If you have a few free minutes afterward, read a short Islamic reflection or simply make dua for your day. During any downtime before your last class, mentally review your day so far and set a small goal for how you'd like to use your time after school. Head home while listening to an Islamic podcast or inspirational talk if possible. Once you're home, take a brief 20 to 30-minute nap or simply relax to recharge. Focus on school assignments. Play soft instrumental or nasheed music in the background to keep a calm, reflective atmosphere. Listen to a tafsir or Islamic lecture, using apps or online resources while journaling your thoughts or noting down things you're grateful for. If you prefer, you might also work on a creative project, drawing, calligraphy, or crafting, that brings you joy. Do some light stretching or take a short walk outside, using the time to reflect and make dua for your family, friends, and community. Even though you're not fasting, join your family for iftar. Use the time to express gratitude, share stories, and make dua together before breaking the fast. Enjoy the meal as a way to connect with the spirit of Ramadan. Begin preparing for bed, shower, skincare, and a final round of dhikr, or dua, for a peaceful sleep. Aim to sleep early to recharge for the next day. On non-school days, like Saturday and Sunday, you might allow a little extra time in the morning for a longer reflection session or a relaxed breakfast. Plan a fun outing with friends or family that aligns with the values of Ramadan, like volunteering, visiting a community center, or simply enjoying nature. Incorporate a longer creative or self-care session, such as a home spa treatment or a craft project. And that is it for today's video. I hope it was useful in some way. May your Ramadan be blessed, productive, and joyful. See you in next one.